Hello everyone, I'm John Calci Veloso from BSMT Bravo 1. Welcome to my video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to explain how I get the answer of this one problem. So, this is the problem. In a baseball game, a batter hits a ground ball 26 feet in the direction of the pitcher's mound. See the figure below. The pitcher runs forward and reaches for the ball. At the moment, how far is the ball from first base? So first, let's visualize the baseball diamond. Each side of the diamond is 90 feet long. This is the distance between each base. The pitcher's mound is at the center of the diamond, and the pitcher throws the ball towards the first base. When the pitcher throws the pitcher's mound, and the first base from a right triangle, we're going to focus on finding the distance from the ball to first base. Now, to solve this, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which says that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the square of the other two sides. Here's the breakdown. The hypotenuse is the distance from the pitcher's mound to the first base. This is the diagonal of the square, which is 90 square root of 2 feet, or about 127.28 feet. One of the leg is the distance the ball traveled, which is 26 feet. The other leg is the unknown distance, which we'll call x, the distance from the ball to first base. So, according to the Pythagorean theorem, we have this equation, open parenthesis, 90 square root of 2 close parenthesis equals to 26 squared plus x squared. We know that 90 square root of 2 is approximately 127.28 feet. So we can substitute that in. Let's simplify the math. 127.28 squared equals to 26 squared plus x squared. This becomes 16,200 equals 676 plus x squared. Now, let's subtract the 16,200 to 676. So we get 15,524 equals x squared. Now that we got, now that we subtract it, now let's finally take the square root of both sides. So square root of x squared equals to square root of 15,524, and we get x equals to 124.6 feet. So the ball is approximately 124.8 feet away from first base. So that is all. Thank you for listening.